Yo, what do you hear? What do you say? So it's Patty's Day, and the mailman delivered me a Rio Grande baby barbecue for this here 1974 Gibson Les Paul Deluxe. Hey, Rio Grande baby barbecue. You know, the mini buckers, they're good and all. They're good in the neck. But if you're playing anything really with some bolts, that bridge pickup just don't cut it. Don't for me anyway. For you, it might cut. You might love it. It might be the greatest thing since sliced bread. For me, a pox on it is what I say. But that's not the point. Point is, Rio Grande baby barbecue, right? So let's say Rio Grande baby barbecue.